Have you ever felt like there's a hidden giant within you, yearning to break free? A force so powerful, yet so often overlooked, that it could change the very course of your life if only you could tap into it? Like a vast reservoir of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed? This reservoir is not just a metaphor. It's a real, tangible part of who you are, brimming with possibilities and opportunities that are just waiting for you to discover them. You're not alone. Most individuals live out their lives utilizing a mere fraction of their true capabilities. They go through the motions, day in and day out, never fully realizing the incredible power that lies dormant within them. Imagine a powerful sports car, sleek and engineered for speed, yet always driven at a snail's pace. It's a machine designed for greatness, but it's never given the chance to show what it can truly do. This is the tragic reality for many possessing immense potential but failing to engage the gears that unlock it. They feel the frustration, the sense of being stuck, but they don't know how to break free from the chains that hold them back. We are capable of so much more than we give ourselves credit for. The human spirit is resilient, adaptable, and incredibly powerful. When we push ourselves beyond our comfort zones, we can achieve things we never thought possible. This isn't just a hunch, it's a truth echoed by experts across various fields. From scientists to psychologists, from athletes to artists, the evidence is clear. We have the potential to do extraordinary things. Scientists marvel at the complexity and capacity of the human brain, a marvel of evolution that holds the key to our greatest achievements. It's a powerhouse of creativity, problem solving, and innovation. While psychologists point to countless examples of individuals achieving extraordinary feats when pushed beyond their perceived limits. These stories of triumph and perseverance are not just inspiring, they are proof of what we can achieve when we believe in ourselves. So why do we remain so tethered to mediocrity? Why do we allow fear, doubt, and complacency to hold us back from reaching our full potential? It's a question that has puzzled thinkers and dreamers for generations. Why do we settle for a life less than we deserve? The answer lies in our mindset, our beliefs, and the stories we tell ourselves. We often underestimate our abilities and overestimate the obstacles in our path. The answers, as we'll soon discover, lie within. By changing the way we think, by embracing our potential, and by taking bold steps towards our dreams, we can unlock the reservoir of greatness that lies within each of us. It's time to awaken the giant within and let it lead us to a life of fulfillment and achievement. Let's face a sobering truth. A significant portion of the population goes through life without a clear understanding of their why. This isn't just a minor issue. It's a fundamental gap that affects every aspect of their existence. Without a clear why, people often find themselves wandering through life, feeling disconnected and unfulfilled. They drift through their days, responding to external stimuli, rather than being driven by an internal compass. This lack of direction can manifest in various ways, from career dissatisfaction to strained relationships. When you don't know your why, every decision becomes a struggle. Every challenge feels insurmountable, and every success seems hollow. Surveys paint a bleak picture, revealing that a staggering number of people couldn't articulate a compelling reason for getting out of bed each morning. This isn't just about lacking motivation, it's about lacking a deeper sense of purpose that gives life meaning. When asked why they do what they do, many people draw a blank, unable to connect their daily actions to a larger goal or vision. They lack a burning desire, a sense of purpose that fuels their actions and propels them towards a fulfilling life. This absence of purpose can lead to a pervasive sense of emptiness, a feeling that something crucial is missing. It's like having all the pieces of a puzzle but no picture to guide you in putting them together. This lack of direction is akin to setting sail without a destination in mind. Imagine being on a boat in the vast ocean, with no map, no compass, and no idea where you're headed. The waves might be gentle at times, and the scenery might be beautiful, But without a clear destination, the journey can quickly become disorienting and aimless. You might enjoy the journey for a while, but eventually, the lack of purpose will lead to feelings of emptiness and dissatisfaction. The initial excitement of the unknown can wear off, leaving you with a sense of being adrift, both literally and metaphorically. The joy of exploration fades when there's no end goal in sight, no reason to keep moving forward. Without a clear why, we become susceptible to the whims of others, allowing external factors to dictate our choices and shape our destinies. In the absence of a strong internal compass, we are easily swayed by the opinions and expectations of those around us. We might find ourselves pursuing goals that aren't truly ours, living lives that don't reflect our true selves. We become passive passengers rather than active drivers in the journey of our lives. Instead of steering our own course, we let others take the wheel, leading us down paths that may not align with our true desires and aspirations. To live a life of purpose and fulfillment, it's crucial to discover and embrace our why, to become the active architects of our own destinies. In his groundbreaking work, The Strangest Secret, Earl Nightingale unveils a profound truth about success and fulfillment. This work has been a beacon of light for countless individuals seeking to understand the deeper mechanics of achieving their dreams and aspirations. He posits that our lives are shaped not by chance, but by the thoughts we entertain and the actions we take or fail to take. This means that every decision we make, every thought we harbor, plays a crucial role in the tapestry of our lives. It's a powerful reminder that we hold the reins to our destiny. Nightingale argues that we become what we think about most of the time. This idea, though simple, is profound. It suggests that our dominant thoughts have the power to shape our reality, influencing our actions, behaviors, and ultimately, our outcomes. If our minds are consumed by negativity, fear, and self-doubt, we're unlikely to achieve anything remarkable. These negative emotions act as barriers, preventing us from reaching our full potential. They cloud our judgment, sap our energy, and keep us stuck in a cycle of mediocrity. Conversely, if we focus on our goals, cultivate a positive mindset, and take consistent action, we unlock the door to extraordinary possibilities. A positive mindset acts as a catalyst, propelling us forward, helping us overcome obstacles, and enabling us to achieve our dreams. This principle, while seemingly simple, holds the key to unlocking our true potential. It emphasizes the importance of mental discipline and the power of positive thinking. By harnessing this principle, we can transform our lives in ways we never thought possible. It suggests that we are not victims of circumstance, but active creators of our own reality. This is a liberating thought, as it places the power of change firmly in our hands. We have the ability to shape our future, to mold our destiny, and to create a life that aligns with our deepest desires. Nightingale's insights challenge us to examine our thoughts and beliefs. They urge us to take a closer look at the mental patterns that govern our lives. Are these patterns serving us, or are they holding us back? Are we holding ourselves back with limiting beliefs? These beliefs, often ingrained from a young age, can act as invisible chains, restricting our potential and keeping us from achieving greatness. Are we sabotaging our own success by dwelling on past failures or fearing future uncertainties? By constantly looking back with regret or worrying about what lies ahead, we rob ourselves of the present moment, the only time we have to make a difference. Nightingale's message is clear. To achieve success, we must cultivate a mindset of positivity, focus on our goals, and take consistent, deliberate action. Only then can we unlock the door to a life of fulfillment and achievement. To break free from the shackles of mediocrity, we must first define our why, our purpose. This is the driving force that gives meaning to our actions and propels us towards a fulfilling life. Your purpose doesn't have to be grandiose or world-changing. It simply needs to be something that resonates deeply with you, something that ignites a fire within and motivates you to become the best version of yourself. Think about your passions, your values, and the impact you want to make on the world. What are you naturally drawn to? What injustices make you angry? What brings you joy and fulfillment? Once you've identified your purpose, write it down, revisit it often, and let it guide your decisions. Your purpose is your North Star, guiding you through life's challenges and keeping you on track towards a destination that truly matters.